You just you just settled into this. Why must you be this way? Who hurt you? It wasn't me. It was not me. That's mean. That's mean, ma'am.